Okay, I'm gonna do a quick review on Walmart's Mainstay garlic slicer and chopper. I bought this been a couple weeks ago at Walmart. I haven't used it before now. I'm gonna try it for the first time on camera, doing a review. Get the top here, cutter right here is in here. I got a head of garlic, a little piece of garlic already in, set to go. And you got a bowl here for it to land in. And you slice it. See how it works. Okay, got him in there. It ain't easy, that's for damn sure. Alright, it ain't working. It ain't working, that's for sure. No luck with it so far. Let me put it on hold. Put you on hold a second. Okay, took it, putting a smaller piece in it. See if that'll help doing it. Yeah, that'll help. Putting a smaller piece in it definitely helps. Apparently I had too big of a piece in it. You gotta do little pieces apparently. Okay, that sounds like something. Alright, let me put you back on hold again. Let's try it again. Got another smaller piece. Yeah, apparently you have to put small pieces in it for it to work. If you don't put small pieces in it, it's not going to work. So you have to break your garlic up in order to use it. This is tedious. It works, but you have to use small pieces of garlic in order to do this. Alright, let me clean the cutter, the slicer off real quick. I'll put you on hold. Alright, I'm back. Yeah, if you're going to use this, you're going to use small piece. Slice your garlic up to small pieces to start with. Because otherwise it ain't going to work. Because I'm doing it wrong somehow. And might be cheaper, quicker to do by hand. Yeah, you have to use smaller pieces of garlic with this. Which means you're gonna have to cut the garlic up in small pieces to start with before you start using this. There's a technique. There's one. Alright. I'm not gonna sit here and watch me chop this up. It's gonna take a while. But yeah, you're definitely gonna have to chop your garlic up some before you can put it in into small pieces where you can put it in there for it to work. Look, yeah, you're on the bottom. Oh, it's 3 tablespoons. So, using this is going to take a while. Chop up a thing of garlic. It's going to take you a while using this. This is the Mainstay's garlic slicer and chopper. You can buy it at Walmart.